big storm. Well, not big, but big storm coming through. Oh my. Our flagpole is just going crazy. That's probably not the best idea to be under it, but oh my goodness sakes. Stuff flying around across the street. Excuse me. Oh my. Someone's gonna have to come and get this flag taken down. I'm afraid that's gonna fall over. A little bit of thunder, it's hard to hear with the traffic, but oh, it's smoky too. Oh my goodness. Video doesn't do it justice. All right. So the last video was the front yard. This is what it looks like in the backyard. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, big drops. Oh, big cold drops. Hear that thunder? Oh, we're going in. Watch out, watch out. Woo! Yeah, you can see it coming down now. Woo!
We're just on the edge of it, Dave.
Yeah.
You go over to Eagle Road, holy fuck, you're going to get all of this. Because I watched it.
Wow. Yeah, it's coming down good. Oh, sideways. Wow. Whew. Glad I'm inside now. All right, I've never gone live, so I'm not gonna start tonight, but this would have been a good time to start a live. This is my coffee view, guys.
Look at that flagpole.
Oh, yes, the flagpole. Holy mackerel. Oh. All right. We needed this though.